Here I have ALCATEL 3 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. From the following options, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys. Release both of them as soon as ALCATEL logo pops up on the screen. And this is the Android recovery mode, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So in my case, let me choose English, and here you've got Android recovery system, so here you can also navigate by using both volume keys and confirm by pressing power button. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to choose it. Now confirm the operation by choosing yes, wipe cache partition. Right now the device is wiping the temporary cache files, so this operation won't affect your personal files, it will just remove the temporary cache files. And as soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and rebooting, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.